Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to resize and crop images in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, turn on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Make sure everything is ready before proceeding with the tutorial. Once your PC is up and running, navigate to your Windows desktop or open File Explorer to locate the images you want to work with. Find the specific image you wish to resize and crop, then right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Edit with Photos. This action will open your selected image in the Windows Photos app, which is the built-in photo editor for Windows 11. This editor gives you quick access to basic editing tools without needing third-party software. Wait a moment for the Photos app to fully load your image. Once it's open, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll find various editing tools. Look for the crop icon among these tools and click on it. You'll notice that handlebars now appear along the edges of your image. These handles allow you to adjust the crop area. Simply click and drag these handlebars inward or outward to crop your image exactly how you want it. This is useful when you need to remove unwanted parts of a photo or focus on a specific area. Now for the resizing process, look at the bottom section of the Photos app window. You'll see an option labeled Aspect Ratio. Click on this button to reveal the available resizing options. Windows 11 provides several preset aspect ratios that you can choose from, such as square, portrait, or landscape orientations. Simply click on the aspect ratio that best fits your needs, and the app will automatically resize your image to match that ratio. This feature is particularly helpful when you need images sized for social media posts, presentations, or printing. Once you're satisfied with both your crop and resize adjustments, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save Options drop-down menu, typically located near the top right corner of the window. Click on it and you'll see options to either save a new copy of your edited image or overwrite the original file. If you want to keep the original image unchanged, select Save as Copy. If you're confident with your edits and want to replace the original, simply click Save. And that's it. You've successfully resized and cropped your image using Windows 11's built-in Photos app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.